And let this be a reminder that when we put our head down and just fucking go at it, we can do anything. So, 2AI collabs.
Cheers.
Woo! Okay, fuck this shit, let's eat.
We're finally here, man. The Target. How long does we take to walk here, bro?
It took like half an hour.
Bro, I feel like this is like the normal supermarket in Switzerland. Which one are we going to get? Like $26?
I mean, whichever one. I saw one for 19. I'm trying to find it.
I think it's right there. This one. This one? Yeah.
Weird strip.
Guess how much is it?
How much this is gonna be?
Yeah, guess it. I have like
It's gonna cost you like $65.
one steak.
Yeah, you have steak, you have
Shrimp.
Oh, that's gonna cost like $60. Max up shrimp. It's like $4. Shrimp.
It's not 65.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Could definitely find more affordable one. Let's go.
It's expensive for me because I'm gonna buy $20+.
What? Charles. What are you gonna cook? Chinese, okay. What's the name? What's the Chinese name? Someone you're on. Come on, what are you finding?
Finding potatoes.
Potatoes? For what? Come on, I think you need the green onion. Yeah. And nice.
Are there?
No idea. Just ask check GDP. Yeah, what are you finding? God. Green scallion. What are you prepping?
Well, I'm gonna make some omelet rice.
Omelette rice?
Which is omelet. The complicated way.
Which is...
There's a very specific way of it. We'll show you guys later.
Okay, yeah.
Next up, check out.
How much do you spend for this bag, John?
This bag?
Yeah, this bag of food.
It was actually 10 cents.
Bro, that's bullshit.
Oh, I thought you meant the plastic bag.
Yeah, bro.
You know, this is at the cost of the environment.
How much did you spend, bro?
36.
36 cents.
Yeah, $32.
32. I spent like $34. So hope the meal is worth it. Or to eat for like 100 people. And this chef is already ready for real dishes. Real Chinese dishes. Oh, we got a big chef right there. You can see.
chance to get some.
Trees sing a song for us. We are ramblers of our own device. In the dunes of desert forest, still the night.
Bring onion. Bro, he's too professional.
多少？萝卜，我们得抠这块，它这是皮下的，非常
Oh, that's a good new thing, man. What are you doing? How do you feel?
Good.
Good? How's feeling, man? Exciting?
Very.
What's up? What's up? How do you feel today? How do you feel today? Excited.
Hungry.
Hungry? Hungry? Yeah. Got a whole table of food. Oh, shit. Bro, yes. 哇，这么奢侈。Charles Showtime. Let's go. Yeah. So this soup has been like cooking for 2 hours. Sorry. That's so pretty good. There's something crazy here.
for vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Oh, we got vegetarian food. Have some very religious sound? No, I'm not. Like, it's not going.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Say it again. Bro, say it again. Just say it again. Do you have some fear in front of the camera? I got no. You gotta eat something. Oh shit. Ketchup. Let's go.
I got JP Morgan. Oh shit? Yeah, on no, like no, wait, I got it like 2 weeks ago though. Yeah.
Welcome to our new show. New chef. Chef Susan.
Yes.
What are you cooking, man?
We're cooking some garlic.
Yeah, that's racist, man. Chef song. What's this? I don't know. What are you trying to cook? What?
You're chefing it up over here. Smells wonderful.
So yeah, we're at like kind of like
Bro, 6 minutes straight. Then we're gonna have this done. It's for a veggie, right?
yeah.
Vegetarian.
Your security.
As a I know Brandon, Bardic, and Marty has been working out for a year or two now. Others have joined in pretty recently, but we gathered here tonight to celebrate the successful coming together of the AI Summit and the great work that we put in, the great potential we have moving forward. our recognition, you know, both within the school by President Sullivan and externally by Titans within the ministry, and also passionate students who are now coming to us. So let us, you know, keep this momentum up, and let this be a reminder that when we put our head down and just fucking go at it, we can do anything. So, to act live.
Cheers!
I'm gonna fuck this shit. That's
Can I say it?